What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I wanted to show you our brand new Seiko mod, and this, guys, is one of the most beautiful mods in my opinion that we have ever worked on, guys. Just take a look at this thing. So let's introduce this to you. For those of you who don't know, this is a Seiko Santos mod, and you can see it's on the Arabic dial, and we've got this lovely dark blue sunburst effect on this dial. Guys, take a look at that. Absolutely beautiful, shining underneath the light. And yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful watch, guys. And so this is basically for a customer who actually purchased a watch off us before, and he had it on a Jubilee bracelet, and he wanted to buy another watch, but he said to us that could we put it on a different bracelet where he can actually resize it for his wrist, because the Jubilee bracelet only has a number of links in there which you can take off, and he's got a very small wrist. So we advised him that he should go with either a rubber strap or he should go with an alligator strap, and that's exactly what he's gone for with this watch. So we've put an alligator strap on this one, as you can see, genuine leather alligator strap. It's in the blue colorway, which goes hand in hand with the dial of the watch, and he's gone for an Arabic dial, as you can see. This one also has a date complication in there as well. So if I could just bring that forward a little bit, as you can see. So you can see a date complication in there as well. This is a very nice watch, guys. Take a look at that. So this is going to be on the website. If you would like to purchase, please do click on the link underneath the description, or you can click on the WhatsApp line link in the description. You can get in touch. Let us know that you are after this watch, and we will be more than happy to build this for you as well. Now, we do also do this in a white and black as well, of course, which is like the original Santos colors, but this blue colorway is just something else, guys. Take a look at that. So if we just turn it on its back, you can see that is the Seiko NH35. As you know, all our watches are Seiko mods and Casio mods as well. So we use the Seiko NH35 for this one. On the side, you will find the blue jewel. This is the iconic blue jewel on all Santos mods. And yeah, guys, you can see that the hands are also that blue color as well. So this particular mod is in the 38mm variant, and I've mentioned this before as well. If you go for a Seiko mod that is in the Santos variant, like this one, because they come in a square dial, the 38mm sits slightly larger than what you would expect it to be. So for example, if you were to buy a 38mm custom mod on a circle face, it would sit a little bit smaller because of the rounded edges. Now, because this is a square, it sits slightly bigger, but it actually doesn't make that much of a difference on the wrist. It kind of looks like the same size, and this size is a perfect size for most wrists. So we do this in a 38mm. We also do this in a 40mm as well. But like I said, I highly recommend that, you know, if you're a 40mm guy or a gal, then definitely go for the 38mm on this one. We ship worldwide. There's certain countries that we don't ship to, but you can check out on our website which countries we ship to. In the UK, you get free fast delivery, so absolutely no problem on that. We also have a bunch of other accessories that you can purchase as well to go along with this, including a leatherette box as well if you're interested. So please do check out our website. Like I said, any questions, please drop them in the comment section below, or get in touch with us on the WhatsApp line. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.